Welcome, fellow food enthusiasts, to a culinary journey like no other. Get ready to sharpen your skills and elevate your restaurant's reputation with our SOP F&B Training Presentation on Maintaining Restaurant Cutlery. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a budding restaurateur, we're about to unveil the secrets to impeccable cutlery maintenance. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to achieve culinary excellence. And here's the best part, we're giving you the chance to supercharge your restaurant's success with a free download. Check the video description for a link to our Microsoft Word SOP file for restaurant cutlery maintenance. It's your recipe for success, and it's absolutely free. Department: Food and Beverage. Section: All outlets. Subject: Maintaining Restaurant Cutlery. Reference number: 11. Prepared by. Approved by. Standard: To ensure the correct storage of all cutleries that is in the operation. Procedure: Collect and sort all cutleries for service. 1. Collect all cutlery from the stewarding area after it has been cleaned. 2. Sort the different items of cutlery into its various sizes and types. 3. Ensure that it is sorted thoroughly to avoid mixing the cutlery together. 4. Polish the cutlery after collecting it. 5. Obtain a small bucket of hot water from the back of house area. Be careful not to spill it on yourself or others. 6. Also collect a tray and cover it with a clean service cloth. This tray is used to hold the polished cutlery. 7. Dip the tops of the cutlery in the hot water and, using a clean polishing cloth, polish each piece of cutlery thoroughly. 8. As the water cools, replace it with fresh hot water. 9. Ensure that you only touch the handles of the cutlery so that fingerprints do not smudge the polished ends. 10. Restock the restaurant with polished cutlery. After polishing is completed, the cutlery is distributed evenly amongst the stations in the restaurant. 12. Carry the cutlery using the tray and cloth to avoid smudging the polished surfaces. 13. When cutlery is discolored, you must obtain a silver polishing cloth. This will remove stubborn discolorations. We hope you enjoyed this enlightening training presentation as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, the secret to a successful restaurant lies in the details, and impeccable cutlery maintenance is a game changer. Don't forget to explore the video description for that invaluable free Microsoft Word SOP file download link. It's your key to enhancing customer satisfaction, reducing costs, and ensuring your restaurant shines. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. We're here to provide you with expert advice to help you thrive in the hospitality industry. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. As you embark on your journey to culinary excellence, always remember, a well-maintained cutlery can make all the difference. Stay sharp, and we'll see you soon.